Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in this video we are going to delete the last node from the doubly linked list. This code is quite similar to the code for deleting first node from the linked list. Same conditions we have to check here. Instead of head, just we have to consider here tail node. Okay, so let's start with the code for a deletion of a node present at the last of the linked list. Okay, so for that purpose we have taken here the function void delete last. In that, first we will check the condition whether the tail node is present or not. Means if tail is not present, when we can have this condition, if list is not present, then and then only tail will not be present, because if there is not a single node present in the linked list, then tail node does not exist. Okay, so if tail is equal to null, means if we don't have any node in the linked list, then we cannot remove or we cannot delete the last node from the linked list. At that time we have to return as it is. Okay, so first we will check if tail is equal to null, then we return to the main function. Okay, so that is the first condition. Okay, now again, while deleting any element, while freeing up the memory, we have to first copy the deleting element in some of the temporary element. That's why I have copied the value of tail node into the temporary node. Okay, so in last part we have to delete this tail node. I have copied tail in the temporary field. Okay, now second condition, we have to check whether we have single node present in the given linked list. That is, head is equal to tail, then we have the single node present in the linked list. So we have to check the condition, that is, if head is equal to the tail, then we have to assign as head as well as tail to null, because after deletion of head or tail node, nothing will be present in the resultant linked list. So we will assign the head and tail to the null. Okay, now next, if these two conditions are not satisfying, then it will go in the next else part. So means if we have the normal doubly linked list in which number of nodes are present with head as well as tail node, in that case we have to change some of the addresses and we have to free up the memory of temporary node. Okay, so suppose consider this is our linked list and we have to delete the tail node or last node of the given linked list. Okay, so if I'll delete this, then what are the changes will be made in the resultant linked list? So we have to change this tail from this node to this node, because after deletion this will be the end of the linked list. So we have to make the last second node as tail, as well as we have to change the pointer field of this node to null, because we have to delete this node, so address will get changed and it will be changed to null only. Okay, so first we will make this node as tail node. Okay, so this node is which node? So current tail's previous node will act as now current tail node. Okay, so I'll copy the value of tail's previous node in the tail. Okay, means what? Tail's previous field, that is pointing to this node. So now this node will act as a tail node. Okay, so I have copied tail's previous node to the tail node. So now our tail node is this node. Okay, and now this tail node stores the address of last tail node, x tail node we can say. So but now this is going to be deleted, that's why we have to assign tail's next field to the null. Okay, so now current tail's next will be assigned to null. Okay, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? null हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Okay, so these are the two changes we have to make here. Okay, and after that we have to free the memory that is assigned to temporary variable. So in that temporary variable we have already stored the value of tell. Okay, so it will free up the memory that was related to previous tell node. Okay, so this will free up the memory of X tail node. Okay, so here we have checked three conditions. One is for if list does not exist. Second condition is if list contain only one node in the linked list, and last if we have normal number of, if we have doubly linked list with number of nodes, at that time what changes we have to make in the addresses. Hope so you guys understood how to delete the last node from the given doubly linked list, how the changes are made in the corresponding addresses and corresponding assignments. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.